Thank you, madam. Good morning, everyone. As you are aware, Government of India has launched PMGKY scheme, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. This scheme provides 5 kg food grain to beneficiary. This food grain may be rice or wheat, both. This scheme recently Government of India have extended up to November 21. For Kerala, there are total 1.54 crore beneficiary in Kerala state. Actually, this scheme first launched in the first one in April to June 20. That was first time. In that scheme, total 2.32 lakh metric ton food grain provided to the Kerala region during the pandemic when COVID first wave came. Again, in phase 2, Government of India has allotted 3.61, and phase 3 just in second wave, that from May to June, Government of India has allotted 1.55 LMT food grain to Kerala, and these whole quantity lifted by the state government, and they have already distributed to the beneficiary. So our Honorable Prime Minister again extended this scheme up to November 21. In phase 4, total 3.87 lakh metric ton food grain allotted to the Kerala region, Kerala state. Out of 3.87, 3.16 rice and 0.71 LMT wheat. FCI also have aggressively now our duty to provide this food grain each and every district. In Kerala, we have 24 depot, means base depot, where we are storing this food grain. From there, we are distributing to the state government. One thing also I would to highlight you that during this pandemic period, even under leadership of our chairman managing director, FCI able to procure record wheat and rice. This year FCI have procured 432 lakh metric ton wheat, which is 12% more than the previous year. Similarly, in paddy also, we have recorded 10% more compared to previous year. Despite these various constraints, as you are aware, during lockdown there are various restriction in movement, all these things. Despite that, FCI have worked in very efficient manner to tackle all these problems. So, purpose of this press release to give wide publicity this PMJKY scheme, so that all beneficiary get benefit of this scheme, since this is the free of the cost and whole cost is bear by the Government of India, right from the transportation, handling, even this retailer margin also. This is very ambitious scheme launched by our Prime Minister. So this is the whole thing, and if further if you want to know anything, so you are most welcome. I think moreover in Kerala we able to finish this PMJKY scheme, particularly third scheme in time, like May and June allotment 1.55 LMT we have distributed in the month of May itself.
ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫേസ് ഏപ്രിൽ മുതൽ ജൂൺ 2020 വരെയും, സെക്കൻഡ് ജൂലൈ ടു നവംബർ വരെയും, തേർഡ് മെയ് മുതൽ ജൂൺ 2021 വരെയും, പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഫോർത്ത് ഫേസാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അത് ജൂലൈ മുതൽ നവംബർ 21 വരെയും എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ 3 ഫേസും കേരള റീജിയൻ വളരെ വിജയകരമായ രീതിയിൽ അത് ലിഫ്റ്റിംഗ് വിതരണം നടത്തുകയും എല്ലാ ടാർഗറ്റ് ഡേറ്റ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന അതിനുള്ളിൽ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ആ ഉപഭോക്താക്കളിൽ എത്തിച്ചേരാൻ സഹായിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. ഈ ഫോർത്ത് ഫേസിലും ഞങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആക്ച്വലി ഈ പാൻഡമിക്കിൻ്റെ സമയത്ത് പോലും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻസും എല്ലാം ഇരട്ടിയായി വർദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വിതരണം ഇരട്ടിയാവുക എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അതിനനുസരിച്ചുള്ള സ്റ്റോക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ ഇരട്ടി കൊണ്ടുവരേണ്ടതായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം ടാർഗറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ തീർക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി അഹോരാത്രം ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റാഫ് പണിയെടുക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ അറൗണ്ട് 16 റേക്ക്, അതായത് ഞങ്ങൾ റേക്കിലാണ് ഫുഡ് ഗ്രെയിൻസ് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത്. അതിപ്പോൾ റണ്ണിലുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം സമയത്തിന് തന്നെ തീർക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു പ്ലാൻ.
It is very helpful. You can make aware all the public about this PMJKY schemes. Thank you very much.
അത് സ്റ്റേറ്റിന് അതിൻ്റെ മെഷീനറീസ് ഉണ്ട്. He is asking in one depot at Nedumad, they were not able to give this 1 kg wheat.
State depot?
State.
No, actually, as per the state government's requirement, we are providing rice and wheat both. And there is 100% offtake from the FCI depot. State government have lifted 100% allotment, full quota of the rice and wheat. I will give you figure. Actually, that's why we are doing this exercise. No? We have pointed out very relevant question. In many states, food grain taken away from the FCI godown. But many places it may not reach to the beneficiary. No? That's why we are giving huge publicity all this campaign, so that all public consumer must be aware that they are entitled for this much quantity free of the cost. That is the purpose. We have delivered total wheat to state government. I think now they have started distribution.
Distribution is going on.
But we have delivered total 227 metric ton wheat in Trivandrum district. 227 metric ton wheat in Trivandrum district to this supply department. Actually, our FCI godown is scientific godown. We have proper planning, proper preservation, all these things. Same thing you will not found in this supply co godowns. They are in process to upgrade, make it scientific, all these things. Actually during issue there is proper procedure before taking food grain from FCI. There is procedure for the joint sampling. This sampling is being done by this FCI. There is manager QC, technical cadre, and one technical staff from food and sales supply department. Okay? They used to select this food grain. After joint sampling, then food grain is being distributed. So that is the procedure. We are following that procedure. For checking, regarding your checking of the ration shop, all these things, actually we don't have that mandate. If anything happen, any problem, any grievances come to it, then we used to take a matter with the civil supply department. Although now just government of India have decided to do this particular, like Kerala here paddy is being procured also. For that just we got instruction from government of India, you have to do physical verification of the paddy. regarding this quality of rice, that is being checked, and we are ensuring that thing. Directly state government used to distribute in this PDS. Actually, as per policy, like if any state has surplus means like here Kerala total requirement, annual requirement is about 12 lakh metric ton rice, but here our own production, Kerala's own production is only 4 to 5 lakh metric ton. And in reverse, if you talk about Telangana, they have surplus. So that surplus rice taken over by FCI. Like here also we are getting rice from Telangana and raw rice from the Punjab, wheat from Punjab or Haryana.